Assalamu alaikum. So guys, today I have Samsung S24 Ultra. The problem is it's not charging. Maybe charging port have a problem. Sometimes it shows here some notification like moisture or some charging error. So it doesn't show anything if it's not charging even. So today I wanna show you how to fix Samsung S24 Ultra charging problem. So first of all, actually this charging port is a little bit loose. Look, I can't insert fully charging port, even charging cable. So I guess with the only cleaning it will be done. So let's see. So for cleaning I'm gonna use this pin as well. So you have to make sure clean charging port. Look, inside there was something. There is still something. So maybe because of this dust it's not charging. Let me check, maybe with the cleaning it will be fine. Let's see.
Okay.
So as you can see, only with cleaning it's fixed the problem. Now it's charging. Even it shows fast charging as well. So this was the problem actually. As you can see, there is a lot of dust. Inside there was a lot of dust. That's why it wasn't charging. Because we couldn't insert full charging pin. So now it's working as well. Our problem is fixed without replace charging port, without change, without disassemble, without doing anything. Just I clean charging port. So now it's fast charging.